Everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Solana. You know, I have literally lost sleep since last night. You know, there's so much happening. You know, I barely got any sleep because, you know, it's just too much excitement within the crypto markets, especially within the Solana ecosystem. I'm sure if you watch my market analysis update on XRP, you know what's happening, but you know, we're going to talk about Solana, you know, what actually ended up happening. I made a Solana update a day or two ago, and you know, the overall interest for Solana at that time wasn't there, and here we are. All of a sudden, you're going to see everyone turning the biggest moon boy on Sol yet again. You're looking at the broader market right now, seeing a retracement, and believe it or not, people don't realize how big of a magnitude this Trump coin has, you know, obviously gotten. So pretty much what has actually happened is a lot of coins, you know, people that are making profits over the last, you know, few weeks or even the last, you know, few months, you know, they actually put their money into this coin because this coin reached valuations of upwards to $6 billion in literally the first day. Never ever has this happened in the crypto markets, and this shows you the power of Donald Trump. But right now, the craziest thing, of course, is that, you know, Solana was able to reach an all-time high a few hours ago, and also a lot of SPL coins are having an amazing day. You can see while the broader market is down, Jupiter up 26.3%, you know, going into, you know, this Jupiter airdrop, already showing significant gains. Radium, you know, Fart coin, Solana, and of course, Trump coin. We're going to obviously talk all about that. If you want to watch more of these updates, of course, let me know in the comments down below. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So $248.46 is the current price of Solana, up 13% in USD, up 14% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at $120.7 billion. And look at the 24-hour trading volume. This has just gone through the roof, currently sitting at about $24 billion. Donald Trump launching a meme coin, which of course, you know, people weren't really sure about yesterday, around the time, you know, the announcement really came out, whether or not this was legitimate. But this is indeed a legitimate coin, which was launched on the Solana blockchain. And Solana has had a field day. You know, the total value locked for the DeFi sector has reached a new all-time high, as well as the native token price. But, you know, of course, I'm sure at this point everyone is aware of this. You know, this coin literally created millionaires overnight. Literally, there's no joke about this. This coin actually made millionaires, people that caught on early. I'm completely jealous of these people. You know, I did not catch at this coin at all, and I could have gotten it around $10 last night, but, you know, I did not want to touch it because, of course, you know, I wasn't willing to take that risk, whether or not this was legitimate or not. But, you know, these opportunities, you know, will always come. But, you know, this one is the biggest. I don't think any opportunity will top this specific launch. This has been huge, and huge for the Solana ecosystem, especially Jupiter. Why is Jupiter going up? Of course, you know, Solana goes up, Jupiter goes up. But look at this. You know, we worked closely with the Matora AG team on ensuring an S-tier launch for Trump, which is obviously one of the biggest launches in the history of crypto. Thanks to the fully scaled efforts of the teams, trading and verification went smoothly as it could have, not just on Jupiter, but across the entire ecosystem using Jupiter APIs, including apps crucial to the launch, such as Moonshot. Fun fact, the Trump launch used the same LFG stake that, you know, launched Jupiter, including the DLMM pool, ILM design, and the Tide Jupiter integration. Congrats again to the Matora AG team and the whole ecosystem. Great win for all of us. This, in my opinion, has started a massive run for Solana, believe it or not. Yes, you're seeing a little bit of a red across the board because, of course, a lot of liquidity going into this Trump coin, believe it or not. A lot of people are having a hard time, you know, realizing this, but this is a huge thing that's happening. A lot of meme coins saw a major pullback right now, and of course, in the FOMO factor, we're talking about the president launching their coin. This is massive, guys. You know, let that sink in. And you know, this is a really bullish for Solana ecosystem, and I think my targets for, you know, some of these Solana coins have just risen even higher, and I'm focusing very close on the ecosystem. This is insane. You couldn't have gotten any other bullish news for Sol if you were a Solana holder. And you know, looking at the dominance index here, 58.44%. Of course, it has risen because you have seen Bitcoin as well as some of these altcoins saw a retracement over the last few hours, but Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a bounce, starting Saturday here. Let me show you guys this, and then we're going to obviously go into the Solana charts. But look at this, guys. You have seen Bitcoin see a little bit of a bounce, making its way back above $104,000, but dominance is still sitting at 58.44%. And of course, it doesn't surprise me why you're seeing a lot of red across the board. But some people might think of this as a buying opportunity because Donald Trump launching a coin, guys, launching his own crypto really should give you a better understanding how big this is for the entire market moving forward. How much crypto is at the forefront of this entire administration. And I think all these rumors that we've been hearing over the last few days could really be coming true. And 2 more days until Donald Trump comes into the office, and I'm very, very excited. And of course, right now people have a lot of questions why one holder holds like 80% of the supply. Maybe they have some plans with that. But as far as this coin is concerned, it looks legitimate now at this point because a lot of retweets, the fact that Jupiter posted about this, it seems like this is a legit meme coin. So of course, if you caught this, let me know in the comments down below. But let's take a look at Solana. So give yourself a pat on the back, guys. Here, a round of applause for all of my Solana holders, especially the ones that have been picking up, of course, since September levels, and of course, the 2022 zone where no one, and I repeat, no one paid attention to Sol at that price point, and I'm sure everyone knows at this point. But let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame, guys. We saw Solana completely ripping once this token launched, because people are smart money starting to realize, hold on, this is on Solana blockchain, not on Ethereum. And Ethereum tanked. If you want to look at Ethereum chart right now, Ethereum actually went down 6.9% right now. So that's insane. And, we've been talking about how Solana is so much more superior than Ethereum. Ethereum is more seen like a store of value at this point. But in terms of, development aspect, I don't see who is paying attention to Ethereum at this point. But you're looking at Solana, guys. Once we broke out of this key resistance itself, that above that $217, literally just yesterday, Solana went up 24%, hitting a new all-time high for the first time. So, we saw an all-time high of $270. And again, it's obvious why this, price went towards the all-time high so easily. It's due to the fact that, of course, Donald Trump launching a meme coin on the Solana ecosystem, which is complete madness to me. And, I think we are about to see Solana, that ETF and, the whole rumors regarding, the reserve, these could really become a reality at this point. I wouldn't even be surprised. And, obviously ETFs being approved, I think Solana is about to shock the world if it has not already. Believe it or not, Solana has already shocked the world at this point, because this coin literally went from $8 all the way up to, all-time highs where no one thought this was going to happen. But, the ecosystem expansion, I think we are about to see the ecosystem really getting so much more liquidity. And, Jupiter itself, look at Jupiter going into an airdrop. Guys, let's actually take a look at Jupiter. Jupiter is going into an airdrop with the price currently sitting at $1.06. I am so bullish on Jupiter, and I've been bullish on this, Jupiter, Solana aggregator for such a long time, massive decentralized, exchange. And I think, we are about to see some crazy times ahead of us. But again, my own personal opinion right now, Solana is looking amazing. Obviously, we're being supported by the previous all-time high from 2021. But yeah, once you enter the price discovery mode, as you guys know, the sky's the limit. There's no resistance. There's no support. So I'm very excited to see what happens. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.